Alright guys, I'm in Costa Rica. This is, I believe, what they use as an overlanding brush guard. Now these are some interesting off-road lights. Check this out. This is quite neat. LED Calcar LEDs. How do they mount this thing? Okay, it looks like it's just a basic mount to the frame. This actually looks pretty cheesy. I'm thinking if they like dipped into a big mud pit, this thing would just bend right up into the plastic bumper. So this would be a Costa Rica off-road rig of some sort. Looks to be a Toyota. There's a lot of Toyotas down here in Costa Rica. So yeah, interesting. Another interesting Costa Rica truck. Toyota Prado Land Cruiser. It's got some nice wheels. Wing off the back. Tinted window. Oh, method wheels. Snorkel. Method wheels. And that's a custom Prado front light bumper, but it looks like it's plastic.